Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the RC Garage. And today I am gonna try to fix three of my cars that are broken. Let me show you which ones they are. So right here, first I have the HSP rally car, and in the last video I broke the wheel. I don't know how. I don't even remember, I don't even know if it was from a jump or anything, but the wheel broke. And I have these. These are the Traxxas rally car wheels and tires. They're already out of the package because I had to test fit them a little, and they're a little big. So watch, let me show you. Look at that. They're a little bit taller of a tire, and they are much wider than the stock tire. But yeah, I had to test fit them. They should work. I just might have to trim. I'm gonna have to trim the body right here a little bit, the fenders, but they should work, and it should raise this car and make it drive a lot better through rocks and stuff like that. And next I have the spur gear for the Rustler. I'm gonna install this, get this back up and running, and then I don't have the arms, the rear A arm yet, but it should be coming in a little bit, so I'll have that to install that, and I'll finally have all these three cars back up and running again, so we could have some more fun with these. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright guys, so it's a few days later, and the parts for the RC10 GT, the rear A-arm, still didn't come in. I waited that day where I did the stuff you just saw. It didn't come in that day. It didn't come in yesterday. So I don't know when it's gonna come in. I looked at the tracking and it says the package got lost. So hopefully it gets here in the next few days. I hate when that happens. But I just want to show you the rally car with the new tires because I think it looks a lot better and it looks actually pretty cool, and I like the stance that it has with these bigger tires on. So I don't know if you could see, but like it's coming out of the fenders. I think it looks really cool. I think the ride height, there's a lot more now. This used to be way lower, but look at that. Give you from the side. Look how big those look. I think it looks really cool, especially with the black. There's no more blue. It looks a lot better. I really like how it looks. I tested a little bit just right here on my driveway in my street, and it works fine with the body on and everything. Nothing gets in the way. I did have to cut this a little bit, but like it still looks fine. I just like how you can see the rear tires out of the fenders, kind of like a real rally car. Or if you've seen some rally cars before, they have the wider tires on the front. It looks like a staggered look, but they're the same size. But it's just the front is tucked in a little more than the rear, but I like that. I like how it looks. So since we didn't get the rear A-arm for the RC10 GT, that's gonna be it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, share this with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching.